It always surprises me when people move from where they are to where they want to be and they don't communicate that with their network. To me, it's by far the most missed opportunity to get visibility, make your network aware of the change in your career, and a moment to pause and celebrate your new beginning. It's a chance for you to share a little bit about your decision and what the future holds for you. One of the easiest ways to do this is via a LinkedIn post. Let's take a look at what should go in your post, and we'll use my transition story as an example. First, you should begin with an interesting hook to grab people's attention or evoke curiosity. I opened with the latter. When I was a little girl, I used to dream of working in that really tall building with a pointy top by the river. Next, you want to think about answering the questions that most people will have, like what made you decide to change from what you were doing to what you do now? I reflect on how wrong my definition of success was. It was based on money, status, and power. What they fail to explain is that it comes at a price. Then, are there any people you want to thank, either for supporting you in your old role or for helping you to get to where you wanted to be? You can tag them in the body of the text or in the comments. And how are you feeling about it? Nervous, excited beyond belief? I shared how grateful I was to get to the top of that really tall building with a pointy top by the river. We all love the feels, so don't be shy to share your emotions. Now, I know this can feel quite vulnerable, but it's part of your hero's journey, and usually the part that will connect the most with people. You want to end your post with a call to action or simply a powerful message. I did the latter. Sometimes it takes getting to where you want to be to realize it's not where you're meant to be. Lastly, and most importantly, check for alignment. What do I mean by that? I mean, make sure that you read it aloud and it sounds like you, not like a press release, but something that is authentic. Whilst I mention LinkedIn as a vehicle of communication here, get into the habit of communicating this story when you're out networking, meeting people, or even grabbing coffees. The more people know about you and what you do, the better.